What's going on, YouTube? So today we're gonna do some questions and answers. And if you want your question on here, leave it in the comment section and we will do the same thing for you. So the first question we have is, if I'm starting as a barber, what is the first clipper I buy? What is the easiest clipper to learn with? What would you recommend? And for me, I would go with the Andis Masters for two reasons. First reason is the notch system. So when you're cutting hair, you can look exactly where the blade is at. I used that a lot when I was in school. I would take one notch, take one notch, take one notch, and I felt comfortable. When I was looking at the Wahl seniors, there was no notch or anything. It always made me nervous. So that is one benefit. The second benefit is the taper blade. If you use a flat blade on certain people's head, people with really meaty heads, sometimes this will kind of poke at their head a little bit. And it doesn't happen often, but every once in a while, there's just somebody's head that just likes to get stuck in the blade a little bit. And with a taper blade, you will not have that problem. And also, this blade opens up so wide. One of the greatest benefits of this machine is that this blade covers a lot of area with the notch system. This is your best comfort zone for starting off as a barber, my opinion. Second part to that question is, you're gonna need a trimmer. Would you recommend the new Gamma, the Saber? Or would you recommend the old school T-Outliner? Would you recommend the Gold FX? I'm still rocking with this one because I've used it for a long time. I know it doesn't break. I know this gold blade is great. There's always gonna be some great thing that comes out. The Sabers haven't been around quite as long. I don't know how long they'll last, yada, yada, yada. Actually, my partner, he had to send in for repair already, so I don't know. But I'm still recommending these. That's just my opinion. The blade is good, the power is good, the battery on the boost is better, so you can always get the boost and then put the gold blade, but still rocking with these.